This plot contains some light language and references to the toilet. Viewer discretion advised.
Not the toilet again. Time to call the plumber.
May's Plumbing. How may I help you today?
Yes, May. I seem to have a problem with my toilet. A very huge, shitty problem.
I'm on my way, Wayne Douglas.
Ah. Thank you. Thank goodness. You made it.
Yes, I did. Please present your problem.
My bathroom's right this way.
Really? You mean to tell me that your toilet was clogged? With shit?
You see, I don't unclog my toilet. I have someone else do it. Oops.
You do know that you were still getting billed for this?
Whatever, just mail it to me.
Money in advance, for your stupidity.
Whatever, here's a check.
It better not go bouncy bounce.
I have money in my bank account, okay? Goodbye.
It was nice doing service with you. I wonder if he clogs his toilet on purpose?
Whatever, Paul.